If you want to start dropshipping in 2023, 2024, this video is for you. Without this video, I do not want you to get into dropshipping. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. This video is specifically for everyone who's trying to get into dropshipping in 2023, 2024, and so on. Everybody is trying to get into it. There's gonna be very less amount of people actually being profitable and making money out of this business. Now, dropshipping is a very simple business, but people overcomplicate it. In this sheet, I will show you guys how exactly dropshipping works, and I'll show you guys the two methods that people actually start dropshipping with and how they actually stay profitable with. So if you don't know how dropshipping works, I literally have two different sheets on my right and on my left. I'm gonna talk about the first way, the way that I currently do it, and the way that actually gives me the most amount of profits. So all I have to do is literally do a product research first, which is the most important thing. In order for you to actually have a dropshipping store, you have to do a product research first and have to find the product. I do my product research first as the most important thing. The second thing that I actually do is literally build a Shopify store. So once I have the winning product, I build the Shopify store and I add my product in the Shopify store. Now the third step, of course, is to sell that product. And how do you sell it without advertising it? Now that's when the advertisement comes in place, which is TikTok and Snapchat advertisement. So the next step that I do is actually advertise those products on Snapchat and on TikTok ads. Now of course the fourth step is fulfillment and delivery, which is really concerning for most of the people, and I'll simplify it for you. And this is the only difference between the way that I do it and the way that some other people do it. The exact same strategy applies until step 4. The step 4 is where it actually changes. In step 4, what I actually do is I actually order the product in bulk once I get a few orders on the winning product. That few orders could be 5 to 10 orders. So once I have 5 to 10 orders on that product, I literally make a bulk order in step 4. In step 4, I keep the orders in my office, and some of my team members will actually deliver and package and do all of the fulfillment from our side. So that's the fourth step, the way that I do it. Now the fourth step, some other people that do it, is when it comes to step 4, when they actually get orders, what they actually do is they actually link their Shopify store with a supplier in China or in USA, and then they actually help fulfill those products. Now the difference between this and this is that the fact that I take care of my own fulfillment, because I will have lesser amount of complaints, lesser shipping time, and I make it much more easier for customers to receive the product on time. While on this side, the product actually takes time and the product actually delays. But of course, there is a solution to both of these two methods that I just talked about, which is auto drop. So as you guys already know, fulfillment, finding winning products, all of these things can be really challenging, and you guys need a solution to it. And what's that solution? That solution is auto drop. Now of course, you guys could literally go manually, find a winning product, add it to your store, and start fulfilling and the delivery and everything, do it by yourself. But if you want to automate the whole process except advertisement, like advertisement is the only thing you take care of and everything is taken care for you, that solution is auto drop. Now I've dropped a complete tutorial to auto drop, which you guys can check down in the link below. But if you guys are curious what's auto drop, how does it actually work, and how you guys can take a benefit out of it, is very simple. Auto drop is basically a fulfillment company that actually gives you winning products. You can add those winning products with one click to your dropshipping store, and auto drop takes care of your fulfillment and delivery. It's the best possible way to actually start dropshipping in 2023, 2024. The two methods that I told you guys, I've given on both of them. I'm straight up going with auto drop right now, and they actually give me winning products literally on every monthly, weekly basis, and they give me winning products on the daily basis. I can literally go check what's a good product, what's doing really good, and add that product into my Shopify store. It has so many more benefits, boys. The reason why I only talk about this is because to make sure that you guys know exactly how the whole dropshipping works. Now this is only applicable currently to the GCC, which is the Arab countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, and all of these countries. But if you are based in the USA, you can do the second method that I just talked about, where the fulfillment and delivery is taken care of by an agent or by your supplier in China or USA. And of course, if you guys are curious if it's haram or halal, the second method is of course talked about a lot, and as said, you're not supposed to sell what you do not own. So make sure you guys do your research, ask a scholar, and do your own research before you take any step further. While the first method that I just told you guys, I order the bulk product to my office and my team takes care of my fulfillment, so 100% halal. It's how a normal business works, alhamdulillah. So I don't have any issues with that. Now this is just literally a complete tutorial on how you guys can start your dropshipping journey in 2023, 2024. If you guys want to, of course, join my mentorship where I guide you through the whole process completely step by step, from finding a name for your store, fulfillment, to advertisement, to scaling, everything you guys could possibly imagine of, join Hustlers Ecom. That's where I actually have my mentorship and where I actually take care of over 600 students that's making money. And if you guys are really interested in the mentorship, you guys can literally pay a one-time fee and get lifetime access to it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.